How to enable Siri announce calls on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to enable Siri to announce calls on iPhone. So let's get started. Open up your settings and then head over to Siri. Now scroll down and tap on Announce Calls. Now you can set it to always or while you're using headphones and car or while you're using headphones. But if you want Siri to announce calls every time, then you can set it to always. And now every time Siri will announce the calls for you. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.